What is the cheapest HVAC repair? The cheapest HVAC repair is usually cleaning or replacing a dirty air filter, clearing a blocked drain, or fixing a loose electrical connection. A dirty filter is often the simplest problem because it can restrict airflow and make your system work too hard. Turn off the system, slide out the old filter, and install a new one with the arrow pointing toward the equipment. A clogged condensate drain can also cause water leaks or shut the system off, and a technician may clear it with a wet vacuum or specialized cleaning tool. Loose wires, a tripped breaker, or a faulty thermostat battery can sometimes be corrected quickly, but electrical parts should be handled carefully. Another low-cost fix is cleaning leaves and grass away from the outdoor unit so air can move freely through its coils. Do not spray high-pressure water into the unit, because bent fins and wet electrical parts can create new problems. One useful fact is that a blocked filter can cause the indoor coil to freeze, so adding refrigerant will not solve the real issue. Check the filter monthly during heavy use. Keep at least 2 feet of space around the outdoor unit, and write down symptoms before calling a contractor. A common mistake is replacing a filter with the wrong size, so measure the old one and match its thickness and dimensions. Another mistake is repeatedly resetting a tripped breaker, which can hide a dangerous electrical fault. Reset it only once, and call a professional if it trips again. Many people also pour harsh chemicals into a condensate drain, but those chemicals may damage the drain pan or nearby parts, so use approved cleaning methods or ask a technician. Finally, do not assume a cheap repair is always the best repair, because an unsafe wire, refrigerant leak, or failing motor needs proper testing rather than a temporary patch. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.